Hey team, welcome to AS Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 11, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, the Food Waste Index Report 2021 has been released by which organization to measure food waste at the household, food service and retail level? So the answer is option C, United Nations Environment Program, and the chairman of this program is Inger Anderson. Inger Anderson is the head of this program, and the headquarter of United Nations Environment Program is in Nairobi. Nairobi is in Nairobi, Kenya. So it is in Nairobi, Kenya. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, Indian shuttler PV Sindhu lost to which player to settle for the silver in 2021 Swiss Opening women's single final? So the answer is option B, Carolina Marin. So the answer is option B, Carolina Marin. So Indian shuttler PV Sindhu has lost to Carolina Marin and she is a Spain player. She's a Spain player. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, who is the author of the book Dynasty to Democracy, the Untold Story of Smriti Irani Triumph? So the answer is option A, Anant Vijay. So Anant Vijay is the author of the book Dynasty to Democracy, the Untold Story of Smriti Irani Triumph. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, who is the winner of the men's singles title at the 2021 BWF Swiss Open Super 300? So the answer is option C, Viktor Alexen. So Viktor Alexen is the winner of men's singles title at 2021 BWF Swiss Opening Super 30. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, which bank has launched the dedicated mentoring programs Smart Up Unnati to support women entrepreneurs? So I'll read the question again. Which bank has launched the dedicated mentoring program Smart Up Unnati to support women entrepreneurs? So the answer is option C, HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank has launched the dedicated mentoring program Smart Up Unnati to support women entrepreneurs, and the CEO of HDFC Bank is Shashidhar Jagdishan. Shashidhar Jagdishan. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, who is the author of the book titled Amity Sangram Etihasik Jeet Ankahi Dastan? So the answer is option A, Anant Vijay. So Anant Vijay is the author of the book Amity Sangram Etihasik Jeet Ankahi Dastan. Then moving on to the next question, and I forgot to say, this book will be released on March 15. So this book will be released on March 15. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, which state has been opened a first forest healing center in the country? So the answer is option A, Uttarakhand, and it has been inaugurated in Ranikhet in Kalika, Uttarakhand. So it has been inaugurated in Ranikhet in Kalika, Uttarakhand. So the first state to open forest healing center in the country is Uttarakhand. So it has been inaugurated in Ranikhet, Kalika, Uttarakhand. And just to know, the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Dehradun and Gair Singh, and the chief minister and the Chief Minister is Tirath Singh Rawat. So Trivendra Singh Rawat has resigned the Uttarakhand, has resigned from the Chief Minister post. So the current Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Tirath Singh Rawat. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, the newly inaugurated Marti Setu bridge has be established over which river? So the answer is option B, Finn. So the answer is option B, Finn. So the Marti Setu bridge has been established over Finn river. Then moving on to, and the Finn river lies between India border and Tripura and Bangladesh. So it lies between India border in Tripura and Bangladesh. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, who has been awarded by the Delhi Medical Association for outstanding service and works? So the answer is option B, Harshvardhan. So he is the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. So he has been awarded by Delhi Medical Association for outstanding service and work. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, India's first forest healing center has been inaugurated in which state? So the answer is option A, Uttarakhand. So it has been inaugurated in Kalika near Ranikat in Uttarakhand. So it has been inaugurated in, as we already discussed about this, Kalika near Ranikat in Uttarakhand. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, who has been appointed as the new chairman of Asia Pacific Rural and Agriculture Credit Association? So the answer is option C, G.R. Chintala. So G.R. Chintala has been appointed as the new chairman of Asia Pacific Rural and Agriculture Credit Association. He is also the chairman of NABARD, and the full form of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, which company has launched the Women Will web platform? So the answer is option D, Google. So Google has launched the Women Will web platform, and the CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, India has qualified for the ICC World Test Championship final. India will face which country's cricket teams? The answer is option D, New Zealand. So India has been qualified for ICC World Test Championship final, and it will face the New Zealand's cricket team. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, the Super 75 scholarship scheme has been launched by the government of which state for meritorious girls from poor families to support them in education and entrepreneurship? So the answer is option D, Uttarakhand. And it was launched by the governor of Jammu and Kashmir. So the answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir, and it was launched by the governor of Jammu and Kashmir. So the governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. And the capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, the Prime Minister has inaugurated the Maitri Setu bridge to strengthen connectivity with which country? So the answer is option B, Odisha. So the Prime Minister has inaugurated the Maitri Setu bridge to strengthen the connectivity with Bangladesh. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, which state has ranked first out of 112 most polluted sites in India released by CPCB? So the answer is option D, Odisha. So Odisha has ranked first out of 112 most polluted cities in India released by CPCB, and the full form of CPCB is Central Pollution and Control Board. Central Pollution and Control Board, and the head of this department is Shivadas Meena. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, the Frontier Gandhi, My Life and Struggle is an English translation of the autobiography of which freedom fighter? So the answer is option C, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. So the Frontier Gandhi, My Life and Struggle is an English translation of the autobiography of Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, which zone of the railways has installed the mobile train radio communication system? So the answer is option A, Western Railways. So the Western Railways has installed the mobile train radio communication system. So it is a continuous communication between the train crew and the control center and the station master. So the train radio communication system is the continuous communication between the train crew and the center and the station master. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, the Himachal Pradesh Police Department has organized the all-women parade in which cities? The answer is option D, Shimla. So Himachal Pradesh Police Department has organized. So the Himachal Pradesh Police Department has organized the all-women parade in Shimla, and the purpose of organizing this is to increase focus on their strength in the force, to increase the focus and strength in their force. So the purpose of this parade is to increase the focus of their strength in the force. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, Trivendra Singh Rawat has resigned as the Chief Minister of which state? So the answer is option D, Uttarakhand. So he has resigned as the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and the current Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Tirath Singh Rawat. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.